All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Yeah, I did it, man. I went on ahead and picked it up. I was bored. I was bored. I said, I'm gonna go ahead and just pick up the OnePlus. I'm gonna pick it up. Go ahead and get it and just do something else. So this phone has been out for about 3 months. So I'm excited to get it now after everybody's had their little first impressions and all the other reviews have come out. Now I've got to give you my thoughts on it. So this is the black version. Obviously, it is the 512 gig. Does this even come in anything other than a 512 gig? I don't even know. Shout out to the JRig knife. So I've been using my OnePlus 13 on my other line, and it's time to go ahead and put this device into rotation until the S lineup comes from Samsung. So we have a couple more months from that. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Is there a case in here? Nah, no case. But you do get the charger in here. OnePlus is good for giving you a charger. This is my first impressions of the hardware. We'll get it open here. There's a charger in here. Yeah, there it is. There's a charger and a SIM tool. And this charger is one of the big dogs. You can see there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge this up real briefly and just kind of get into it. I want to just kind of tell you how I feel about the hardware real briefly here. I cleaned up. So I haven't powered it on or anything yet, but this is like a scratch resistant material. It's pretty cool. I accidentally scratched it, taking that back sticker off, and then just wiped away. And I've obviously seen that before, but this hardware feels pretty good, man. It feels exactly like my Pixel or my iPhone, and it's totally different than the OnePlus 13. I told you guys if I were to get this phone, I was not going to trade in any of my OnePlus devices. I really love this phone, and I'm using it. This is like one of my daily drivers, so I have to keep using this, and I'm excited to go ahead and compare these two. Just looking at the hardware alone, I still, in fact, think this phone feels better. I like the texture on this better. This camera module is kind of going towards that industrial look that a lot of phones are trying to do today. Like this Pixel, like it's just like a sideways Pixel. I don't know. It's like this. It's kind of doing that industrial look that a lot of phone companies are doing now. So you lose the alert slider. This was another reason why I didn't want to make this like a primary phone for me. This is going to go with the same SIM card as this, but I don't like not having an alert slider. This is a action button basically. And if you look on this side, everything's pretty much still the same. The phone is, they took this version to more like current day, like this modern look, or just that more boxy design. And I do love this hardware though, like the touch to it, like the feel. It's not the polished sides, which is something that I didn't like about this phone right here. That was my only gripe about this phone, really, was the polished sides. I really love the camera module and everything. I just love the way this phone is set up, and I really wish they would have brought out a deep red or a deep green or just some other colors with this textured back on here. No Hasselblad with this phone. I'm going to leave the screen protector on here because I had this phone for just over a year now, and the screen protector just went bad. I posted a video on it a while back, but I'm going to leave this screen protector on here. It draws a lot of fingerprints, but I'm going to fire this up and I'm going to start using. I'm going to charge it up, transfer all my data from here to here, pop my SIM card in there. We're going to get going. I can't wait to see how the speakers sound on here. But the screen, it might be kind of fire. We don't know. We have to just wait and see. But I just want to give you my first impressions and let you know that it's here. So I'm going to charge it up and really just show it to you against this OnePlus 13. I think this is probably the last great OnePlus device so far. Now, I know this battery is 7,300 milliamps and this one is 6,000. And this phone right here is phenomenal. The 13 is incredible on battery life. I mean, it is just stupendous on battery life. And so you can see them here, what the screens look like next to each other. It's a little bit smaller, looks like on the body and the screen size. But overall, it's a little bit more borderless on this newer version right here. But I still love this design. I love the screen, everything about it. But I'm going to give this a chance. Best Buy, I walked into Best Buy and bought this. They had one left in the store, and they had one of these and two of the R's. So I was like, no, I want the 15. So this phone has the SIM tray on the bottom right there. And on this one, it's on the same spot on the bottom. They didn't change too much, looks like, as far as positioning. But overall, I can't wait to try this out and really dig into it. I'm going to give it a fair shake. You know, I still prefer this hardware looks wise, but I can appreciate the way this feels now. And I'll get over not having a vibrate mute switch, because I did it with my iPhone and everything. So it's not even a thing. I just use it for vibrate anyway, but I like having the alert slider because I can go completely silent on it. But we'll see how this particular phone's button works. So I just want to show you that it was here. I'm going to get it all set up. And again, just first impressions, that it's actually here. And I just want to let you know that I went on ahead and picked it up, and I'm going to start my review phase right now. I know we're in the season of the trifold Samsung coming up at the recording this video. And then we'll also have the S lineup coming in February. We're going to be hitting it hard, but I'm going to use this straight all the way through until the Galaxy S lineup comes out, and then I'll see what I'm going to do. But here we go now. So my current lineup is going to be an iPhone, a Pixel, and a OnePlus still. So we'll see how this works out. I rotate with my Samsung phones, just so you know, with this particular phone number. But I just was missing. I love this phone so much, so I went back to it. But we'll see how I feel about this phone after a few weeks or a month or so. So it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed first impressions. I'm liking the way it looks right now. We'll see how I feel later on. Stay locked for more content.